Welcome to the physical science class. My name is Nora Ortega and I am happy to be your instructor for this semester. You can contact me via Canvas email. In this course, I expected that we will work together to reach two main goals. The first goal is to learn the content of the class, and the second goal is you pass the class. Let's see what do we study in this course. Let me define physical science. It is the science that is concerned with the study of the non-living system. Physical science includes physics, chemistry, and astronomy. But in this course, we will focus on physics and chemistry. During the first week, we will review some math concepts. Then we will move to the topics related to the physics. And in the last part of the semester, we will cover the content related to chemistry. We will start studying force and motion. One of the forces we are going to cover is gravity. Then we will study the concept of energy. In this chapter, we will also review the concept of work from the physics point of view and the relation between work, energy, and motion. Then we will learn about the heat, which is a special kind of energy, and the relation between heat and the phase change of the matter. Then we will discuss the wave concept, which is just an energy that travels as a vibration. And we will focus in two kinds of waves, sound and light. Then we will cover the basic concepts of electricity and magnetism. As I mentioned before, then we will move to the part of the chemistry, and then we will discuss the atomic model, the periodic table, the chemical bonds, chemical reactions, and nuclear reactions. I hope that will be a good idea what topics we will cover in this course. Also, I would like to discuss about some tips that are important if you want to succeed in this class. The first tip is you must have positive attitude and believe that you can succeed, that you can pass the class. The second thing is please ask for help if you need it. Please don't wait until the last minute, in the last week of the class, when it will be too late for anyone to help you. And the other thing is complete all the assignments on time. In this course, you will complete 8 homework, about 11 lab chips. For the lab manual, is the yellow book. You will need to complete the pre-labs and some appendices. Also, you need to write 2 special lab reports. You had to take 3 tests and 1 final exam. Also, I want to talk about the rules that will be applied for the assignments. The first thing is all the assignments will be assigned and submitted via Canvas. You must show your work in order to receive credit. You should submit all the assignments in PDF, in Word, JPEG, or PNG files. Please don't submit .pages files. I cannot open these files in my computer. Also, please don't send links. To submit your work, you must take 1 picture per page and submit them as individual files. Or you can copy and paste the images in a Word document, 1 photo per page, and submit all your work in 1 file. Also, it's important that you know that late work will have a 10% deduction per week. No credit will be given to assignments that are more than 1 week late. This is why it's important that you submit your assignments on time. Also, the homework is from parallel exercise group B from your textbook, not group 8. Why not group 8? Because the solution for all the problems from the group 8 can be found in Appendix E, page 825 of your textbook. So you can use the solution of the problems of the group A as guide to solve the problems of the group B, which are the problems in your assignment. Also, I would like to talk about the tentative schedule for this semester. You can find this information in the last page of the syllabus. In this table, you will find the summary of our course. What topics we will cover each week, and the respective chapter in our textbook. Also, what activities, what assignments you had to complete each week. Labs, pre-labs, and homework. The labs, I will provide the file that you need to complete. The lab manual corresponds to the yellow book, and there you can find the pre-labs and the appendices that you need to complete. And the homework will be always from our textbook. You will find the homework in the textbook at the end of each chapter. Also, you can see the date for each of the tests and for the final exam. Now let me show how the course is organized in Canvas. Here is our course, and you can see the course is organized by weeks. I will publish just the first 3 weeks, which is the material that will be included in the test 1. In the first part is the general information. You will see the syllabus. It's the PDF file of the syllabus of the class. I encourage you to read the syllabus. Also, here is the Google meeting you can use to connect each Thursday at 10 a.m. if you had any question. To join to this meeting is optional. It's just if you had any question about any of the homework, of the activities, or to the material of the class. Also, here you can find the tutoring information. The tutor for this class will be Miss Marilu, and you can request an appointment clicking on this link, or you can email her the questions. Here you will find also the TRIO program information and college information if you are interested. In each week, you will find the to-do list is the list of the activities you had to complete each week. You can see you had to read the syllabus, watch the audio presentations. You need to complete this pre-lab 1, lab 1, and the appendices H and E. If you had any question, then you can join to the first meeting, which will be in February 3rd at 10 a.m. Here is the introduction that I suggest you to take time to watch this short video. And then you will have the audio presentation are the lectures that I suggest you to watch these videos. And then once you watch these videos, then you can complete the activities for that particular week. For example, for the week 1, you need to complete the pre-lab number 1 appendix. Then to complete this one, you just click there. Then you can complete the problems in the following Word document, or you can complete in your lab manual page 13-15. Once you complete the assignment, you can submit the assignment, the file of your assignment. For the labs, please, it's important that you follow the steps. Then step number 1, in order to complete the lab 1, the first step is read this presentation. Then please read the presentation. The step number 2 is complete the pre-lab. Then don't complete the lab without completing the pre-lab. First, complete the pre-lab. The third step is complete the lab. Just click here. And then you read the procedure, follow the instructions, and complete each part of the lab. And similar organization you will see for each week. Please follow the order for each week. First audio presentation, then pre-labs, appendices, and then the lab, and finally the homework. The same thing for week 3, and here you will find the test. This is just the practice test, and I will explain later. This is optional, and it's just you to be ready for the test 1. I will send information with more detail about the practice test, about the test 1. Also, you can access the assignments if you click on the right side on your screen. Then you can find each activity that you have to complete and the due days. With this quick tour, I want to give you an idea of how the course is organized and how you can navigate through the course. If you had any question, feel free to email me anytime. Now let's talk about the total hours of coursework. Then for 4-credit class, which is our class, it's required that the students work 12 hours per week. It is important that you spend time watching the audio presentations and completing all your assignments on time. I believe all the students that are registered in this course, they can complete it and they can pass the class. But I need you to work hard from the first week to the last week of the semester. I will help you as much as I can, but I need you to work hard and you do your best through the course. This is the grading policy, the grading distribution. Homework and lab sheet correspond to the 30%. Lab manual, special lab reports, 14%. Each test corresponds to 12%, so the 3 tests correspond to the 36%. And the final exam is the 20% of the class. Then it's important that you work hard to get all the points. Each point in this course is important. As I mentioned before, we had a tutor assignment in our class. Then I strongly suggest you to take advantage of this opportunity. Here we had some additional notes. It's just, I want to summarize what we mentioned before. Remember, most of the communication will be through the Canvas emails or also through the announcement of our course. It's important that you check your Canvas emails regularly. You will receive some notifications. The student is responsible for watching and listening the audio presentation. to submit all the assignments on time, to take the test and the final exam on the respective days. Also remember a weekly agenda we call the to-do list will be posted in Canvas. There you will find all the assignments, all the tasks that you need to complete each week. Once a week, we will have a Google meeting and you can join if you would like to meet to answer questions live. Remember, the Google meeting is optional. Feel free to email me if you had any question. And it's very important that you don't wait until the last minute when it's too late to someone help you. Please read the syllabus, watch the introduction, so you will have a good idea what we are going to study this semester in physical science. I am looking forward to meeting with all of you via Google Meet. I will be more than happy if I can help you through the semester. See you then.